Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make money from this website. No, today I'm going to show you how to register on this website. So to register, finally you have to get some link from somewhere. So first of all, you have to go to my description box and you will get my registration link. I will give you the link in the description box. So yeah, this is the way how you will copy your registration link. I'm just copying it. For testing, I'm creating another account. So this will be like, so I'm entering a phone number. I can add any phone number right now because just it's a testing. So I can set my username, so it could be anything. So I just testing 22. So I'm setting a password. Set it again. But most important thing, I'm setting the Telegram here. So my Telegram is Raffletron, so I set it. I'm just clicking on register. So I need a valid password, so it should not be so easy. So I'm using user 248, user 248. So I'm clicking on register. Need 8. Okay, testing user 248, testing 248. So let's check it now. So it's successful. I forgot to save it, so I'm just logging in out. So logout successful. So I will set it and the username testing u22, testing user 248, as I set it. So after registration, what I will get is $3 bonus. So with $3 I can also grab orders. As you can see, if I try here, I just got 0.064 cent. So just like this, I can also work for free. It is not so worth it, but it's not bad actually, some free money. So after registration, what you will have to do is you will have to join in my team. So how will you join in my team? I will send you the link where I actually post about if anything, any news, anything I post here. Then and I have my channel here where I post latest news. So you have to join here and you can easily contact to me with here from here. So if you are a promoter also, if you have a big team, if you can get team, you can contact me. I can collaborate with you also. So to get the money, to get $3 bonus, just register now, because this offer is not so very long. So that's it. Register and join. Thank you.